The Flower Rex cube is a cube made by Lan that is similar to a Masters cube or multi-cube in the way it turns. In this video, I will discuss whether or not this cube is good and whether it's worth buying. The cube turns surprisingly well for a cube made by Lan. Most cubes made by them have low quality turning, but this cube actually turns quite well. The turns are smooth and the cube overall is relatively high quality. However, it does pop more often than most puzzles, which is not a good sign. There is no corner cutting, which shows that it is not of a very high quality, but the hardware is good enough that you won't notice it very much, if at all. This means that you can focus a lot on the solve, which is important for a non-WCA puzzle. The solve is similar to a multi-cube or Masters cube. It is a simpler version of both of these cubes. Each piece on the Flower Rex cube is the same as a piece on both similar cubes. It has less pieces, so it does not take as long, but it still has the most time-consuming pieces, so it still takes quite a while to solve, usually just under 5 minutes. The amount of time it takes to solve is quite unusual for non-WCA puzzles. Most puzzles are quite short, less than 2 minutes, or quite long, over 10 minutes. This puts it at a unique situation, which I think does make the solving experience quite enjoyable, along with the interesting solve. I think this cube is worth buying for most people. It is reasonably priced for its good quality. It looks really nice and is interesting to solve. Although it is not the best choice for a non-WCA puzzle, it is a nice outlier in Lan's line of generally low quality cubes. I would mostly recommend it to people who already have a good amount of cubes and are looking at getting a new mid-complexity cube. I would also recommend it if you want something with cube-like turns that is slightly easier than a multi-cube or Masters cube.